Hi friends, this is from Caroline John Hospital. Today in this video we're going to talk about different types of penile implants and what is the best penile implants for you. So men have failed many treatments and finally they are deciding for penile implants. So one question comes in their mind: what should be the best implant for me today? So we discuss about the various types of malleable implants, and I will help you choose what will be the best implant for you today. We will discuss the three types of penile implants: the Indian penile implant and also the Tactra implants, that's the American one, and the Recon rigid implant from US. First we will discuss the Indian penile implant. So the Indian implant is by far the most commonly used malleable implant in our practice. Many patients choose this implant here, and the main reason for choosing this Indian implant is the low cost. It's like very cost effective, and the Indian implant is like 1/10 the cost of the US implant. So because it is like so cheaper, many patients go for this implant. So let us discuss about this Indian implant. Indian implant has got 4 parts. It looks like a rod, single rod, but they are like 4 parts, and it has a distal tip which is like soft. Then this is the distal area which is hard, and then is the hinge part which is again the soft, and this is the back part which is like approximate portion which is again hard. The soft tip is having a comfortable, is actually for the comfortable intercourse. The hard part fits with the penis to give a very hard erection. This soft part, which is the hinge, which is at the junction of the body and the penis, and this hard part which is like stability for the intercourse. There are 2 things I will discuss about the Indian implant. One is the rigidity and second is the concave ability. So regarding the rigidity, this part which is the hard part which fits in the penis is quite hard, and the hinge which is the soft part is just behind it. If you're planning for aggressive intercourse like a woman on top position or like a different very hardcore position, those actions this Indian implant might not support. The second part is because of the hinge, the direction of the Indian implant inside the body is little bit downwards. So it is not a problem, but when you have intercourse, you have to lift it and then insert the penis. The third point is that Indian implant is not very good for the penises which are like longer than 6 inches, because in penis is like longer than 6 inches, it does not give enough rigidity. Secondly, about the concealment, this hinge part cannot be bent easily in all the directions, so the Indian implant can be easily concealed under the clothes, but it has got no memory. So soon as we release it, it spins back. As soon as you remove your clothes, it will spring back. But in spite of all this, the cost is like concerned, then the lower cost within the implant, you will get a very reasonable hardness and an excellent conceal ability under the clothes. Now, if the cost is not a constraint, I will definitely recommend the American valuable implants. The main benefit of this implant is it got excellent rigidity, excellent hardness. So if you're wanting to implant this for aggressive intercourse, or you like your partner to be on top of you, so you want a woman on top position, you want a good rigidity for that. So in those cases, Tactra implants is the best for the hardness. Tactra is much higher than the Recon Indian implant, but because it is like so hard, a minor drawback is that the bend ability is less. When it's bending, it is not bending 90 degrees, it is bending slightly forward. So bend ability is there, but it's not vertical 90-degree bend. So the ability is a very good implant for rigidity. But if you are a person who says that rigidity is acceptable, but I want an implant which should have an excellent concealment and it should have 90 degrees bend, and then Tactra is not the right option for you. The better option is the Recon implant as compared to the factor regarding the different implants. But because it is like for bendable, the rigidity is like lesser. If you are thinking of implant which should be affordable and not very expensive, Indian implant is the best. If you want an implant which should have an excellent rigidity, then Tactra implant is the best. Discussed with you all the advantages and disadvantages of all the three implants. So the best implant I would recommend would be the Tactra implants, because it is like really best right now. So guys, if you have any kind of questions, you can shoot us in the comment section below. So we would be like very much happy to answer all your questions. And also, if you want to contact us, you can contact us in the WhatsApp number down below mentioned. You can contact us with the photographs. You can just send it in the WhatsApp number and we'll get back to you. This is all for today. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.